Smart homes have become popular due to the fact that they make controlling and maintaining the home easier. And who wouldn't love an automated home? Making your home smart might, however, not be the best decision. Why? Let's tell you. An automated home makes your life easier, but if you are going to use the Home Assistant platform, then some of the challenges you might have to encounter include deciding how you are going to automate your home. This problem is as a result of the fact that there are over 2,400 integrations available in the Home Assistant core, excluding that of the community. Users are presented with too many choices, which makes it difficult for them to choose what smart home protocol they are going to invest in. Countless protocols may affect integrations, which may subsequently cause breaking changes. We'll tell you more about that. The second reason why you should not build a smart home on Home Assistant 2022 is because of connectivity. There are 4 major smart home protocols in use today: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and Z-Wave. A platform such as SmartThings does not require to know if a device is Zigbee, Z-Wave, or Wi-Fi. It just has to be compatible with the platform. With Home Assistants, however, Wi-Fi-based devices almost always require a pairing process that connects them to a manufacturer's server. Aside from the security implications of this, fragmentation can also occur, making connectivity very slow. Breaking changes as a result of countless integrations are another reason why building your smart home on Home Assistant might not exactly be a good choice. Okay, there have been tremendous improvements to the platform since its development. However, issues like breaking changes still occur because of Home Assistant's core aim of centralizing all of your devices. Breaking changes are changes that may require you to modify your configuration or break some functionality in your smart home in one of the updates made. For instance, your Wi-Fi plug that you may have bought to integrate all of your devices might no longer work because of a change made by the community. These changes are allowed because of Home Assistant's characteristic of being an open-source platform, which we will discuss soon. Then again, one major drawback of the platform is that it is more suitable for tinkerers.
Let's just keep what we have.
Tinkering works.
You are not in for all the major updates and have little to no technological knowledge on how to maintain the platform. You might not necessarily enjoy all the benefits, adjustments, maintenance, and all of that comes with using the Home Assistant platform. And if you're not in for the long haul, then sorry, this might not exactly be the platform for you if you choose to go smart. As you grow your smart home, you'll soon realize that it becomes harder and increasingly frustrating to manage all your devices and have them all work in unison. If you are savvy enough, this could work for you. Open source? One of the main characteristics of the Home Assistant platform is that it is maintained by a collaborative group of smart home enthusiasts. So, changes are usually driven by these people, unlike their corporation-backed counterparts, who are regulated by a company. If you factor in security, then this feature may not be a bad one. But as we indicated earlier, if you are not in for all of a sudden changes and adjustments that are made on the platform, then you will have a challenge. You may have to stay more up-to-date with all of the changes happening. The open source solution requires some degree of knowledge to set up, configure, and maintain. A smart home allows you to have greater control of your energy use while automating things like turning on and off lights, managing all of your home's devices from one place, adjusting room temperature, etc. However, you must ensure that if your choice for that smart home is going to be Home Assistant, then you have made all the necessary inquiries on the functionality of the platform.
Now you must make a choice.
We may have told you why it is probably not a good idea to use Home Assistant, but you can decide for yourself after watching our video on Home Assistant, how to guide beginners to get started with Home Assistant for more. Thanks for having us. We'll come your way again another time.